Metallic Rainbow Skull and Drips Gel Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi guys, in today's video I have a very cool, it won't have to be Halloween, but it definitely works for Halloween, metallic skull rainbow drip thing. And I love it, it's on my nails right now. It looks absolutely amazing in the sunlight. The metallic quality of these new Madam Glam gel polishes that they have out is just amazing. It's such a cool, different type of system. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
I'm going to begin by applying either 1 or 2 coats of black gel polish across all of my nails. Depends on which black you're using, whether it requires 2. So, however it is to make your nails opaque. And then a layer of matte gel top coat. And now using Madam Glam's metallic gel base coat, I'm going to be painting just kind of the rough shape of a skull on my thumb and my ring nails. So this is just like a base shape. And my nails are very short right now. And so I filled in the entire thing, pretty much as much space as I could with my skull, so that I had as much space to work with and to create that amazing little rainbow across it. So just paint that base coat layer across the whole thing and then cure it. And then after that's cured, you're going to want to grab the color that's their metallic silver base and apply a layer of that over the skull. So after you apply it, so you're just going to apply it across the whole thing and try to make it a little bit thicker. This gel is super thin, so you can apply it very thin, but if you make it just a little bit thicker, it actually applies a little bit better and it smooths out. But after you apply it, wait 30 seconds and then cure it. In that 30 seconds, it kind of smooths itself out really nicely. Then I'm going to take a rainbow color. So I have Pay Up, which is a green. That's the first one. And then the second color, I don't remember what it is, but it's their teal. And I will show all of the bottles going across at some point. But just take, and I have their kind of like money green. And then I've got teal, and then blue, and then indigo, and then fuchsia, and then pink. So it's so much fun. So the teal color is called Oh Snap. I just have that showing there. And then keep going. The blue is called Girl Boss. The purple one is called, I'm testing my memory now. The purple one is Iron Woman. There we go. See, I know most of them. It's just every once in a while I draw a blank. But just have those colors going right across the skull in a nice little rainbow and gently blend them together with your brush, just a little bit here and there between each of the colors to smooth them out. And because they have kind of a jelly consistency, they smooth out and they blend together really easily. When you have all that done, cure it, and then I'm going to go through with black paint and add some of the details of my skull, like his eye sockets and nasal cavities and his teeth, and a couple little lines here and there to add some of the details around his face. So I'm going to start with the 2 eye sockets, and those I've got. And then I'm going to be adding his 2 little nasal cavity lines, a couple little lines around the eye sockets to show some depth, and then a little bit of a line for his upper mandible, and then some teeth going across. Don't get too detailed with it because the metallic quality in the background and that rainbow is going to distract from any of those details anyway. You just want enough details to really show what you have. Then with white paint, I'm going to add a couple highlights around the eyes and the nose and add his teeth. And then I'm going to be applying some glossy gel top coat over the skull only. So you don't want to apply it over the entire nail. You want that matte background to stay nice and matte because that will help the contrast between the metallic stuff and the not metallic stuff. So it's nice I love having that contrast between matte and glossy on my nails. So then I'm going to take on my index, middle, and pinky, I'm going to paint drips going down, kind of like there's this metallic melt going across your nails. So it's very hard to see because you're just painting with metallic across the nail, or with clear across the nail. But start with the drips and then pull them up towards the cuticle and then connect them, and then you can add another little drop or 2 down below. After that has cured, go through with your metallic silver base and apply that over the top of the drips. This is where you can really see them. I think that looks so amazing on camera because it shows up as so silver and metallic. It looks like you're painting with liquid metal. Kind of reminds me of Neo Nails has liquid aluminum. That's one of their products. And it's something I've always drooled over and never actually purchased. So I'm really glad that Madam Glam has this because it's kind of a very similar product in my mind. After you have all that applied, wait 30 seconds and cure the base. And then I'm going to go over, and on my index nail, I'm using the colors Pay Up, Oh Snap, and Girl Boss. So that's the green, the teal, and the blue. And I'm going to blend across them. So I'm going to do it I'm going to do it horizontally, not vertically. So I want it to go just like one drip and then meld into the next one. So then on the middle nail, I'm going to be using the colors Girl Boss, Iron Woman, and Day Off. So I use the last color from the previous nail is going to be the first color on the next nail. So it looks like they're just blending in a rainbow across all of them. And so just keep going across. And the weird thing with these metallic topper colors is what I've been calling them, is that some of them are a jelly type of color and some of them are almost remind me of gel food coloring, where the color is so intense that you apply it really thin. So it just depends on which one you're using. Their bright pink color is like that, where it almost reminds me of food coloring. So then on all of them, index, middle, and pinky, I'm going to be applying that glossy gel top coat over all of your drips to make them really shine and protect all that color. I am absolutely in love with these. I love that metallic quality. I also love that because there's so many coats to the drips especially, they're very 3D and they have a really nice little texture to them, which I love. I love anything 3D when it comes to nail art, so that is right up my alley. I hope you guys like this design as much as I do. Definitely check out that new Madame Glam metallic collection. I'm in love, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!